wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best wood-burning kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8, you'll receive a wide range of accessories in the uolor 44 piece, including 11 carving tips, 5 embossing tips, 2 pencils and much more. However, the overall material quality isn't terribly durable, so this set may be best for those with only a casual interest. It comes with a helpful user manual and operates between 200 and 450 degrees, but the tips become loose too easily. At number 7, ready to take your artistic creations to the next level? The truart Stage 2 Professional can help guide you there. It offers precision that's tough to achieve with lower-powered burners, in addition to 20 tips that will let you create all manner of pictures and motifs. It includes a productive 60-watt pen and a digital temperature control, but the price is prohibitive for beginners. Coming in at number 6 on our list, the lenk Professional has a robust 30-watt tool and comes with a variety of wood-burning tips as well as 2 handy cutting and fusing tips. The whole kit comes in a heavy-duty blow-molded case that's sturdier than most other choices. This one reaches 1050 degrees Fahrenheit and is backed by a 5-year guarantee. However, there's no temperature control option. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wood-burning kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, the Walnut Hollow Deluxe kit comes with 8 patterns, transfer paper, and easy instructions to help a novice learn different outline and shading techniques with the 4 included tips. The 2 alphabet stencils have both upper and lowercase letters. It features 6 colored pencils, but the stand is a little unsteady and the basswood plaques are cheap. Halfway up our list at number 4. If you want to try this fun activity but aren't sure you'll stick with it, the well-assured barrel offers 9 different tips at a budget-friendly price. The lightweight tool is easy to handle and the tips can be quickly changed by popping them out with a pair of pliers. This one includes a bonus embossing tip and a plastic carrying case. However, the grip area needs more insulation. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the versatile truart pyrography set includes 34 interchangeable tips and a metallic alphabet stencil for a wide range of applications, all packaged in a tidy case. It has 2 heating modes and it warms up quickly so you can get down to work faster. It features a sturdy metal stand, a heat-resistant rubber handle, and a 1-year warranty. At number 2, the NSI kit offers a simple way for newbies to begin exploring design and creation. The set comes with everything you need to make a total of 10 projects, all packaged in a box that holds the promise of an exciting gift. This one's good for boys or girls aged 14 and up with adult supervision. It includes both cork and wood materials. And taking the top spot on our list, for crafters who are inspired to experiment on a variety of mediums, the Walnut Hollow Creative Versatool features a temperature control dial that gives you the flexibility to find the perfect amount of heat for any project. This one can be used on cardstock or wax and offers color-coded heat zones on the dial. It comes with lead-free solder. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wood-burning kits, or simply click beneath this video.